do anything Rick was saying, wouldn't it, Dom?
I know. You're every bit as good as them. Can't lose you two.
We used to be something surreal. Others looked to us for what we built. We were envied until the point in which we fell. We fell by the wayside and slowly watched ourselves die. A lonely death in which no one cared and no one came. When the walls cave in, we only have ourselves to blame. And even if it's dark, at least we'll be together, slowly sinking in the earth to lay forever. You better grab a hold and hold on for your life, because you don't get lucky twice. Now even if it's perfect, I can't get carried away and motivate my tongue in twisted ways. It felt like a good night for dancing in the moonlight. An empty streets, well, everybody's got a reason why. If we could only just get it right, maybe it will all work out like in the movies. But I know Romeo must die before the ending, with a final poison kiss delivered gently, because you don't get lucky twice, and that's the truth.